This repair video for the P161B error code is specifically tailored for Ford's drivers. If your Ford shows up P161B code, this is for you. It indicates that vehicle lost power during the battery swap. When this happens, the PCM and TCM recognize the power lost and triggered the code. So what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common causes. Battery issues, charging system problems, wiring or connection problems, TCM or PCM issues. Here are two simple DIY methods to fix the error code. Method A, the transmission control module. The transmission control module can often be found below the cover at the back of the transmission case. It should be just below the engine control module's position. Visually check the transmission control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the transmission control module. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system. This includes vehicles from brands such as Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and RAM. It also appears in GM vehicles, including Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac, and can sometimes show up in Ford vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.